How to remove recently used emojis in Telegram. To remove recently used emojis in Telegram, you can clear your emoji history in the app. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Telegram application, just like this. Now go to any chat, it does not matter if it's a personal or a group chat, just like this. Then tap onto the emoji icon next to the message, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find the emojis right here. Now tap onto this time icon right here, which is right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find your recently used emojis right here. Now to remove them, simply tap onto this cross option right here at the top. Select it. Now tap on to clear recent stickers. Select it. And now you can see the recent stickers or emojis has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove recently used emojis in Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.